Hello children, I hope you are in the pink of your health and spirits. Today, I would like to tell you about my adjective alien. My alien has a round head and a colorful body. My alien has skinny arms and chubby legs. My alien has strange hands and curvy feet. My alien has spiky eyes and pointy ears. My alien has a small nose and a wide mouth. My alien has a long neck and sharp teeth. My alien has striped horns. Could you tell me what did I just do? Well, I described my alien. Today, we will learn about adjectives. Adjectives are the words that are used to describe or tell about nouns. That is, they are used to describe a person, place, animal, or a thing. They are also called describing words. They can describe or tell about the noun. For example, they can tell me about the color of my jacket. If I say, my jacket is orange in color. Or it can also tell us about our feelings. For example, if I say, I met a shy girl in the party. So adjectives are the words that describes or clarifies noun. They can tell us about the color, texture, shape, taste, size, feeling, weather, number, sound, and odor. So we use adjectives to describe the noun. Children, we use adjectives to compare person, animals, or things. We use degrees of comparison when we compare one person or a thing to another. There are 3 degrees of adjectives: comparison, positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive degree of comparisons are used when we describe a person or a thing. Adjective make the comparison. Remember, adjectives are describing words. So, if I am using positive degree of comparison, I am describing a noun. I am not comparing it with anyone but just giving a quality to a noun. If I say fast, slow, big and small, these are all positive comparisons. This is used when we only describe one person or a thing. For example, that girl is smart. The boy is fast on his bicycle. Now children, I want you to write 4 sentences using positive degree of comparison. Quickly do that. The next degree of comparison is comparative degree. This is when we compare 2 persons or things to each other. The rule that we follow while using comparative degree of adjective, we add er to the adjective. For example, fast becomes faster, slow becomes slower, big bigger, small smaller, tall taller. As I told you that in comparative degree, we compare 2 people or 2 things to each other, unlike the positive degree of comparison. For example, The house is big, but my house is bigger. When I say the house is big, this is positive degree of comparison because I'm just telling you about the size of the house. But when I say the house is big but my house is bigger, I'm comparing the two houses. The boy is fast on his bicycle but I am faster. Now here again I'm comparing two people. I'm comparing myself with the other boy. The radio was loud, but the TV was louder. Again, here I am comparing two things. So, comparative degree is used to compare two things. There are few adjectives in which we do not add er. Instead, we add the word more to it. Usually, the adjectives ending in full or e, we use more. For example, if I say painful, I do not say painfuler, but I say more painful, more hopeful, more beautiful, more expensive. There are few words with which we do not use more also, but the word completely changes when we are using the comparative degree. For example, if I say good, when I'll be comparing two people or two things, I'll be saying better. Bad, worse. Much or many becomes more. Few and little becomes less. Far becomes further or farther. Old becomes older or elder. The third degree of comparison is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used when we are comparing more than two people or thing. Now see children, when I was using positive degree, I was just describing the thing. I did not compare it with anyone. When I used comparative degree, I compared two people or two things. Now when I'm using superlative degree, I'm comparing more than two people or things. The first rule that we follow while using superlative degree is that we add est to the adjective. So fast was a positive degree, faster was comparative where I added er, and then fastest is the superlative degree. Slow, slower, slowest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. So, for superlative degrees, we say he was the fastest in his bicycle race. She was the smartest girl in the class. Superman was the strongest and fastest of all the superheroes, but Spider-Man was the most flexible. Children, if you have noticed, we have used the word the in front of all the superlative degrees that we have used. Again, there are few words, as I told you, in which we do not add er. In the same manner, we will not add est in their superlative degrees. So when I say painful, in comparative it becomes more painful, and in superlative we will use the word most painful. So the word most is used with adjectives ending in full or e. There are few exceptions to the rule, as I already told you. Good becomes better and best. Bad becomes worse and worst. Many, much, more and most. Little, few, less and least. So now children, I will be reading these sentences and I quickly want you to identify the degree of comparison being used. The lion is a strong animal. Rochelle is the kindest of all. The apple is sweeter than the pear. It is a tall building. So children, I hope you are now able to identify the degrees of comparison. Here is a little song for you on adjective. Learn it and sing it aloud. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.